Colorado has always been such a special place to my heart, so I'm thrilled to take you guys along on a fun day on the slopes. But first, I'm gonna get ready using all of my favorite Revlon products. I'm creating my signature hometown look that's all about looking fresh, dewy, and athletic. It's basically the same makeup I wore when I was competing, just enough to make you feel confident. I'm using all of my favorite Revlon products to create a fun, fresh look that makes me feel like I'm back on that mat again competing in the Olympics. You know, I never wore that much makeup when I was competing. Just the right amount can give you the confidence to shine and live boldly.